Hi everybody, welcome to the potential power of automated trading. This is a short video in response to a few emails that I have received about a couple of comments I made on the intro to automated trading webinar and subsequently the course that we're offering at the moment. So what I raised was the idea, the concept of a book of EAs, or let's call it a matrix of EAs. And this is where you have a few different system-based EAs working together on different instruments at the same time. So hypothetically, let's use an example to demonstrate the potential. So let's say, for example, you had one EA trading on one instrument at the minimum volume of 0.01 lots and has an average return of $20 a month. That doesn't seem particularly spectacular, of course, and not particularly powerful. But let's say we use that same one EA trading on the 5 best performing instruments with the same results across each. Let's say, for example, it was trading across 2 or 3 FX pairs, maybe gold and maybe an index. And because of that, you had $20 times 5 at $100 a month. Now we're beginning to get to something that might be interesting. Let's say we have 3 EAs in our matrix. So that's $100 times 3 equals $300. And obviously we're getting more and more interesting as we go. So this is the power of several EAs working together, starting to eventuate. Now, of course, and one of the things we teach is a scaling plan. Once you have that established reliability, over a period of time, you can start to scale. And there's a plan that we will be giving to our students that shows people how to do this in a systematic and safe way. But what we do is we raise our average return by 3 by simply increasing the lot size. So rather than 0.01, we're increasing to 0.03 lots. Now, all of a sudden, of course, we're 300 times 3 at $900 a month. Now we're getting into a really interesting place, but of course, we can make that even more interesting by doubling it, i.e., doubling the number of EAs that are in your matrix. And let's say they're all performing at the same level. We can do it by adding another 3 EAs. And you can do the math yourself. If we multiply that monthly return times 2, then you're getting a power of this. And we're only doing it on 0.03 lots. Now, of course, there's a heap of work to be done to get to that stage, not only in coming up with the ideas that may be complementary to each other and based on different price actions that may work, but also there's the actual creation of the EA itself, and then in the testing and refinement before going live. Then we've got a period of time before we may scale, of course, each individual model. We want to be sure that we have reliability of results. And then there is the consistent monitoring and potential refinement going forward to optimize it further. Now imagine if this was done as a group, not as a solo investor or trader, as part of a program which offered hands-on learning with programmers on standby to code and recode as required, so you wouldn't have to learn coding as well as everything else, and have expertise offered by those who are doing this already, as well as the support, encouragement, and participation of other group members. Does that sound something that may be interesting to you? If it is, then go and have a look at our 6 EA Models in 6 Months program. Be part of this innovative and practical orientated EA education program where you will learn and be part of developing new price action based EAs with no programming or coding required. And you'll walk away at the end of the day with 6 EAs for use in your particular trading. If this sounds of interest, then go and have a look. Find out more at www.traderiq.com.au 6 in 6. And if it is for you, then why not join us? We're starting soon, and we'd be delighted if you feel as though you could be part of such a group. Either way, we hope that introduction to an EA matrix or EA book has been interesting and just demonstrates why this could be something to explore, if not now, then sometime in the future. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.